So here we are again. It's Monday, and it's the Monday before the Marquee DJ and Photo Booth Conference in Chicago. Are you going? Are you there already? That's going to be a great conference, and if you are driving distance from Chicago and you've not gotten your ticket yet, it's coming up. It's going to be June 22nd and through June 24th. That's a Tuesday and a Wednesday in Chicago. And you know I'm a big advocate for conferences. If you have not been to a DJ conference, you should. The more you can educate yourself, the more that you can invest in yourself. Like I've always said, you should do that. And here's a great opportunity in the middle of the summer, here in the Midwest in Chicago, the Marquee DJ and Photo Booth Conference, June 22nd through the 24th. Now, my friend Keith puts this on, and it's quite a show. There's a lot of really great content, and from some of the coolest people that I know in the industry, and speakers that I've seen like Alan Berg, Nick Spinelli, Scott Favor, Chad Blackburn, Dana Solomon, one of the coolest DJs I know. DJ Casper's going to be there. Yeah, I know. Eric Jager, a good friend of mine. Howard Wallach, Joe Bunn, Jordan Marshall, Big Daddy. It's going to be at this conference. Mike Walter. I mean, come on. These are just a few of the names of the people that are going to be speaking at this really great conference. Now, you see the speakers or you don't see the speakers. I recommend you see them. But here's the thing. It is an intimate show in Chicago, in Deerfield, I believe. And if you go to marqueeshow.com, you can find out details and you can get yourself a ticket. But the best part about every show is the fact that you get to rub elbows with not only all of your colleagues around and all of these people who come to celebrate their really cool job working in the DJ world, whether it be clubs, whether it be corporate events or weddings or whatever they do. We all come together to be able to talk to each other because nobody at your house really knows the first thing about what you're talking about. Nobody really cares. So you have this great few days of all your colleagues. You can tell all your great stories and hear all of theirs. But you also get to rub elbows with these amazing professionals that also speak and teach. They don't just come in, talk, and leave. They come in, and then they are there, in and amongst everybody. That's the way it is with every conference I've ever been at, and this is designed this way, I do know, down in Chicago. Even if you went to the one in Milwaukee about a month and a half ago, great. Here's another conference, another opportunity, and it's still here in the Midwest. So I really think you should consider being a part of it. And when you go, if you don't see me, be sure you go up to any of these people and say, hey, guess what? Bill Herman said hi. So they can go, who? Because nobody knows who the hell I am. Hell, you probably don't know who I am. You probably fell upon this video because you were watching cat videos and, hey, you should check out this guy. He looks a little bit like he's been eating a cat, right? So check out the show. Tell me what you think. I'm trying to make my way down there myself. If I don't make it, I know that you'll still have a really, really awesome time. Buy a ticket, get down. Marquee Show, go to marqueeshow.com. I'm Bill, this is Creative License, and I will see you next week.